Start karo. So good morning friends, today we'll be talking about Weber's method specifically related to CAT, because we are talking about inequalities in quadratic and higher degree equations, right? So we'll study about what is Weber's method. To understand Weber's method, we'll make certain parameters first. First parameter says the coefficient of x should be 1, right? Second, when we talk about the powers of the factors, should be odd, right? And third case, if there are even powers, neglect them, right? So let's take a case where I'm saying x square minus 5x plus 6 is less than or equal to 0, right? I need to find the range of x. So what are the possible values of x which will satisfy this equation? Now what the Weber's method says, first we need to get the factors. So when we are talking about factors, I will factorize this into x minus 3 into x minus 2, which is less than or equal to 0, right? Putting x minus 3 is equal to 0, I get two critical points, one is 3 and one is 2. So what I'll do is I'll make a number line and mark these points. So 2 will be here, 3 will be here, right? Now what does the wave method says? जो last point दिया हुआ है उसके right से start करेंगे. This will be a positive region. Then alternately we'll mark negative and positive regions, right? So the graph will go like this probably. Now the inequality says that x minus 3 into x minus 2 should be less than 0. So we are only interested in the less than 0 wala range. That means we will like to talk about the region which is negative. Now the negative region is this because it is going down the x-axis. That means any value of x lying in this range will satisfy this inequality. So I say x lies between 2 and 3 since it's an equal to sign also. So this is the required range which will satisfy this equation, right? Just to cross check, put any value between 2 and 3 in this equation. So let's say if I pick up 2.5 and I substitute here. So 2.5 minus 3 will give me negative. 2.5 minus 2 will give me positive. So negative into positive is definitely a negative value which is less than 0. Right, so this is first question which we solved it. Let's take another one. Let's say 6x minus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 0. So if I have to understand this now, again I'll say the critical points, I'll mark it on the number line. So I get that this is minus 3, this is minus 7 and this is plus 2. So when we mark this, this will be minus 7, there will be a minus 3 and there will be a plus 2, right? The first thing I need to understand that coefficients of x is 1. The powers of the factors is 1 and therefore the range will start from here. This has to be positive always. This is negative, this is positive, this is negative, right? Now we are interested in greater than 0, which means positive areas. So one is this positive region, which means I can say definitely that x has to be greater than or equal to 2. Then second is this region where belong to this range. So we can write minus 7 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to minus 3. So these two regions will come with an OR sign, the union of these two, right?